right, number 8, premium football mini helmet, numeral 8. Numeral 8, 5 times here. See what we got. Let's see. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and number 7. Number 7 it is. Good. Again, guys, shipping will be tomorrow morning. Number 9. Only had 4 good years. How long was he in the NFL for? Alright, so that is good there. And the next one, number 7. Bonus breaks, I will announce them ahead of time. I'll post it on Facebook. Like I said, I'm still waiting on... I need at least one more case to do them all. I will post it on the book. Number 7. All these mini helmets are like popping up. You'll see that they all have. That's why they're all double tape, but I don't know. Boxes are too tight. I didn't know he played for the Bills. Jason 4, Brett 3, J1. Good luck, guys. 5 times here. See what we got. See what we got. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 5 times. Brett, you're on top. Jason, you're on the bottom. 5 times. Okay. All right. Brent, AFC North. Jay, AFC South. Jason, AFC East. Brent, AFC West. Jason, NFC North. Brent, NFC South. Jason, NFC East West. 3 Pro Bowl, 2 All-Pro. Yeah, I don't know if he played long enough. I don't know. Alright guys, any trades here? Let me know. Let me know. Seven left in Volt. AFC South is up. Couple left. Perfecto. You guys ready to roll? Good to go, guys. 2, Nick 1. Good to go, Jerry G. Matt. 1 spot left. 1 spot left. Alright, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Sealed up, sealed up, sealed up. I don't know what's wrong with these boxes. The man, the myth, the legend. Kirk Cousins. Kirk Cousins. Beckett certified. WCO 4327 Kirk Cousins on the Vikings lid. Kirk Cousins. Who's got them NFC North boys? NFC North. That will be NFC North. Jason. Jason, there you go, man. You got yourself the Kirk Cousins. Kirk Cousins, Kirk Cousins. 5 times, top spot, free spot, and a bonus break. Once, twice. 3, 4, 5, and J. That's where you guys all lined up. J, free spot for you, number 8, Premium Mini. No breaks tomorrow. No breaky poos tomorrow. Prison Mega, guys, only a handful of teams there. Only a handful of teams there. Alright, Baseball Vault is up next. Baseball Vault is up next. Alright, guys, every night, 9 p.m. Eastern, not Kurt. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you.